get that ooh, baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am taking you guys along with me and my sister to go get tattooed. Bow. Okay, so I mean, there's not really much to, yes. I'm just gonna take you guys along, show you guys the process. The microphone might be a little funny right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me well, but yeah, let's go. Say hey. Me again. So I'm just gonna show you guys what the tattoo looks like now, and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys know more information about my tattoo artist as well as the shop location and everything like that. So I'll be back. Enjoy this clip. yeah, that's what the tattoo looks like. It's been 2 days since I got it. I also got these finger tats, but I didn't get them the same day. I got them like 2 days before. It is a middle finger, my Taurus sign, and a heart. This one didn't hurt as bad. I don't know, for some reason, I guess the way my arm was positioned and everything like that, my arm fell asleep. So I couldn't feel anything. Like, it was just tingling. So I don't know. God was on my side with that one. I don't think it took more than maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I don't know, because I was recording on a time lapse, so you know, it don't tell you how long it is. So maybe about an hour and a half to 2 hours. It took about, he finessed. My tattoo artist's name is Kevin. He is located in Brooklyn. I'm not sure if he travels, but I'll drop his Instagram down below for you guys. He has done a lot of my tattoos. He started with this one, literally just the branch. Started with that, and after that, I went to him to get my tattoos. I don't play. He's a really great artist, and I really appreciate him letting me record, because asking for him, you know, to let me set up in his thing, it was a little awkward for me. But we got it done. Again, apologies for the angles where I had to sit, put my arm, where he had to sit. It was a little complex, but I can't complain because he let me record in there. He supported my channel. Thanks, Kevin. He's located, the one I went to is located on Crown and Utica. If you're from New York, if you're from Brooklyn, if you're from the Heights, you know where that's at. Right by Empire. They have 2 shops. They have one located in Flatbush. I'm not sure the exact address of that. I'm not sure the exact address of this one. I just know it's on Crown and Utica. But I'll drop the information down below, as well as Kevin's Instagram, so you guys can check out his work and also book him, period. Stop looking, start booking, dummy. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini vlog of me getting a tattoo with my sister. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.